Hey guys, wanna know how to see the history of your tracks in Audacity? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. So let's get right into it. Now first stop launch Audacity. And here I have my track right here. Now to see the history of what changes I have taken in this track, just simply up here in the menu, go to View. And then navigate towards the history that is right here. Left click on it. And here you can see actions in this dialog box right here. It's as simple as that. So here you can see I have imported various songs and applied effect for this video. And you can also see used spaces, that is 39 for total space used, and clipboard space used is 0. And if you copy and try, this will show in clipboard space used. So that's it. It's as easy as that. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.